So I'm going to try a little experiment with this, with the Pebeo pouring paints. I'm looking at doing something a little bit different. So I've got some various colours here. I've got the cobalt blue, some yellow, some copper and a bit of silver. Not sure what I'm going to do, but we're just going to go for it and see what happens. I'm going to be using some silicone oil and a few different techniques. So I'm starting off just by putting 3 randomly positioned stripes of white. What I want to do is just spread those out a little bit. So these two have nearly merged, but not quite. I'm trying to keep them just a little bit separate. Then I'm going to I've put some of my copper in a cup. And I'm going to add a few drops of silicone oil to it. And then I'm just going to gently stir that in. Not too much, just a little bit. So I guess now it's just making up my stripes. When the bottles are new, they have this little foil bit inside, so I'll just remove that, put my lid back on, and then you get this lovely point of pouring. So I'm going to put that down on 2 of my stripes. And I'm going to use the silver, and that's going to go on 2 as well. I might end up with all of these in use with all of the colours, but I'm just going to try and do them in different orders. Let's have my copper next. That one I'm going to put on all 3. Next we're looking at this fabulous yellow, primary yellow. Put some of that through the middle and through this one. Put some dots of this blue down there. I've got the copper, I've got silver. I haven't got silver down here, so we'll do some of that now. And I want some of the yellow up here. So we've got all colours on all of the sections, but they're just in different orders. So now I'm just going to take a regular drinking straw and we're going to see what happens. I'm going to blow one way first and then I'm going to do the other way. I quite like the little splashes that are coming off. Okay, so I've done that way, and I need to turn it round so I can do the other way. Turn it back. So you can see we've got this really fun colours. And where that silicone oil is, we've got these little cells popping up. So I'm going to let that dry and I'll show you what it looks like when it's finished. These fabulous colours. Amazing. And you can really get to see the shimmer in that copper